Welcome to Birchwood Hyundai, the 2025 Hyundai Dealer of the Year for EV sales excellence. So, what makes us the best?
Maybe it's because a lot of us own EVs ourselves.
Maybe it's because we got the largest EV inventory.
Maybe it's because we can help you in over 10 different languages.
Kumusta?
Bonjour, namaste, sat sri akal.
Maybe because we have the most EV certified technicians.
Or is it because we stock more parts, tires, and fluid, especially made for your EV?
Or maybe it's because we have a fleet of EV service loaders, so our guests always stay electric.
Maybe it's because we have more experience guiding our guests with EV ownership.
Whatever it is, the only place for your EV needs is Birchwood Hyundai, the 2025 Hyundai Dealer of the Year.